Hello overthinker, I'm sure that you have asked yourself many times about the size of the universe and where is the edge or the end of the universe. Let's overthink together to find out some answers. Now I'm about to go on a journey to the end or the edge of the universe. Are you ready to go with me? Great, let's go. Now we are leaving the Earth, going up across layers of the atmosphere, which surrounds the Earth. The first layer and the nearest to Earth is the troposphere, which contains about 75% of the atmospheric air, and most of weather phenomena like wind, snow and rains happen on it. Then we reach the second layer, which is called stratosphere. It contains ozone gas, which protects us from the danger of the ultraviolet rays and its harmful effects. And on this layer, planes fly. The other layers are, in order, mesosphere, thermosphere, ionosphere, exosphere, and finally the magnetosphere. Now we are in the outer space, which is emptiness. Just empty space, contains nothing. Now you can see the Earth like a small spot in the space. Every small spot is a planet. Look, it is the Sun, the nearest star to the Earth. The whole planet of our solar system, including the Earth, are rotating around the Sun in a specific orbits. Now, every spot is a star, like the Sun. Some are greater and others are smaller than the Sun. Our Sun is moderate in size compared to other stars. Every spot is a star and its own planets, a system like the solar system. As you see, we are leaving our galaxy, which is called the Milky Way, as it looks like the spilled milk, like you have spilled some milk on the ground. It's spiral or oval in shape. And like every galaxy, our galaxy have a black hole at the center. Its incredible gravity controls everything exists in the galaxy and make it rotate around the center of the galaxy. Now, every spot is a galaxy, a complete galaxy with its stars, planets and moons. Every spot is a huge world. We may continue to move further and further away, and we will not reach the edge of the universe. Oops! Where is the edge of the universe, which is our destination? To know the answer, you should focus with me. Do you know how scientists can measure the distance between us and any space object like the moon or the sun? Simply, they use a beam of laser light. For example, to measure the distance between us and the moon, they direct a laser beam towards the moon, and they record the time it takes for the laser light to reach the surface of the moon, reflect off it, and return back to us on the Earth. Of course, we know the speed of laser light, so we can easily and accurately estimate the distance between us and the moon. By knowing the time it takes for the light to reach the moon, we can do the same with any other space object to know the distance between it and the Earth. Unfortunately, it isn't the same with very far space objects. Some objects in the space are millions of light years away from us, so they use what is called the glow difference to estimate these great distances. The closer a star or an object to the Earth, the more we see it glowing, and vice versa. So the farther away we are from the star, the longer it takes for its light to reach us. Now you may asking yourself about the very far objects, as some objects are so far away from us, as their light hasn't reached us yet, and therefore we can't monitor them or even know about their existence. This means that it is impossible for us to determine the size of the universe or know its boundaries. It isn't only because we can't observe distant objects. There are some theories suggest that the size of the universe isn't constant, but rather continuously changing. The Big Bang Theory, which explains the origin of the universe, says that the universe was something extremely small in size, the same size of an atom or smaller, but its mass is enormous. Suddenly, it exploded and began to expand until the universe with its current size is formed. Some scientists believe that the universe will continue and expand forever, and we called it the open universe theory. Others believe that the universe will reach a certain size and a certain stage of expansion. Then it can't expand again, and it will begin to contract and get shrunken to be smaller and smaller until it reaches its original size, which was extremely small, smaller than an atom. This theory is called the closed universe theory. Both theories are trying to know the fate or the future of the universe. In both conditions, we can't know the size of the universe because its boundaries are not fixed or stable. They are continuously changing, whether by increase or decrease. I hope you have got some answers to your questions, and you now know that there is nothing known as the edge or the end of the universe, and we can't estimate the size of the universe. But make sure that our universe is much bigger than you can imagine. I hope I have added something to your knowledge about outer space and its secrets. If you are still watching the video, hit the like and subscribe buttons to overthink again with us in another video. Goodbye.